Kumja ing lisingani kun mga January kun tarukta state asida anti-extortion cell hangdokraba matung nga safe bada Meeoi lisingama police na Phagatpa kray anti-drug campaign na apun bakes chatruk lokatuna Meeoi chatret Phagatpa Ngamle haina state asige Director General of Police DGP Rajiv Singh na fongdokray ngasi haying khongman ofong yumfamda leiba ahanba Manipur Rifles ki parade ground pangthokiba Police Department ki tongan ba gari sing lamthabagi tharomda wafam safe fongdokletna mahang hai Kumja ing lisingani kun mga January kun tarukta haudokiba anti-extortion cell gi makhada Meeoi lising ama Phagatpa ngampatana anti-drug campaign da kes chatruk lokatana Meeoi chatret Phagatki masigi mathakta National Security Guard NSG ga Memorandum of Understanding ama sign tongna Manipur Police ke personal sing NSG dagi special training launa basu hotnari haina mahakna haiki police amadi miyam aniki marakta afamari thamnaduna aruba fibam kaya da miyamgi matengna irang lakshin bagi wafam kaya thamkibaga loinana ngasi lamthariba tongan ba gari sing asina force asi mapangal kankathanba ngamlagani masigi damak central amadi state lengak animal mahakna thagatpa fongdokhi pangwi sing na hangba wahang amagi paukum piraduna mahakna hai fazinduna thamkiba nagamicham taruk adu tekta kaiduna fangnanaba search operation chathava khaktan natana maikai kayada wari sanaduna fangnanaba hotnari police na mathau pangthokpa matamdasu miyamna lambi thingjinba natraga protest tawshinbana chengba sing Taudanabasу mahakna apil tauki.
Security forces have recovered about 7,902 arms and more than 5,000 explosives to date. The government of Manipur has also approved the creation of a new police station in the secretariat in Nepal and 12 new SPPO posts. Further construction of pre-fabricated case structure for accommodation of 55 companies of Central Armed Reserve Forces under the SRE scheme, of which 47 structures have already been completed. Under the SASTI scheme run by the government, the Manipur government has approved developmental work for Manipur police and about 150 police quarters, out of which 62% of these constructions are in the to enhance the improvement of buildings and direction.